run Google Ads to receive new leads for my business. And whenever I receive a new lead through my Google Ads, instantly a personalized WhatsApp message like this is sent to my lead so that I can start engaging with my leads on WhatsApp. Yes, no manual effort is required, only a simple automation that I have built by connecting my Google Ads with my WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here, using this automation, automatically a WhatsApp message is sent to all my Google Ads lead within seconds of their form submission. So now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too in just 5 minutes. So here, to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. Or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you are going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will direct you towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now, to build a new connection, you need to create a workflow first, and you can create the workflow using any of the methods given below. Here, I'm going to straight to direct you towards the workflow window. So here I've successfully set up a workflow, and now we are going to move forward with the connection. Here we have selected our trigger as Google Ads. So we are going to set up the connection for the same. We have selected app and the app event, and we have received a webhook URL. Here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, first here I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I've already logged into my Google Ads account. So here I've drafted a test campaign inside which I've created a test lead form, and for now I'm going to set up this webhook inside my test lead form that I've created. I've entered a business name, then I've selected some required fields over here, and here you can have a preview of your form in the right side. We're going to scroll it a little down, and here you can see you have received the option for lead delivery. From here you can select webhook integration, and here for the webhook URL, I'm going to add the URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. For the key, we are going to add the key name as test, and after adding the dummy details, I'm going to click on the send test data. By doing so, I'm going to receive the dummy response for all the fields on this webhook URL. Let's go and check it, and you can see we have received a successful response where we have received dummy details for all these fields. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Now once we have received the new leads for Google Ads, instantly we are going to send a WhatsApp message to that lead with a WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can use another WhatsApp communication platforms as well, such as Vati, Interact, WhatsApp AI Sensi, or WhatsApp Cloud API. For now, I'm going to use this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here we are going to build a new connection, and it is asking for a token. To get the token, we are going to click on this hyperlink available over here, and it has directed us to the All Pabbly Apps window. From here, select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. You can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so now here to get the API token, click on the settings and select API and webhooks. Here you can see this is the API token. Copy that token and add it over here. For now, I'm going to use an existing connection, then click on this save. You can see we're now successfully connected. Let's move forward. Here it is asking for a respond WhatsApp mobile number. So I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here, instead of entering the leads number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new lead through our Google Ads. Instantly, this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and here we're going to map our leads number. Moving forward, here I'm going to add a WhatsApp message. Alright, so this is the WhatsApp message, and here in the place of this first name, I'm going to map the first name that we have received as first name only. So with this, we have completed this message. Moving forward, here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. For the keys, I'm going to turn on this map button, and then I'm going to leave it blank as I don't want to add any keys over here. After adding the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But before that, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number in order to receive a WhatsApp message over here. Let me add mine. Alright, after adding the details, we are going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new WhatsApp message on my number. Let's go and check it. And you can see instantly a new WhatsApp message has been received over here with the name as hi first name, and this is exactly the same message. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to get your Google Ads leads on WhatsApp in 5 minutes. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.